Hello students, I am Jajal Ila from Osem Pathak School. Welcome you all in our first lecture. Today we are going to learn parts of speech. You are thinking that it is the easy topic and it is the basic grammar. Yes student, we start from basic grammar because basic grammar is necessary in writing portion and also in a competitive exam. So if our base is clear, then we can cover more marks in our writing portion. And students, in 12th there are 20 to 25 marks weightage of writing portion. So we are start from basic parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Today I will give you a quick introduction about parts of speech. In the following lecture we will discuss in detail about parts of speech. So let's see quick introduction about parts of speech. Sentence has a specific word order. Every word in a sentence has its own place and function. These are called parts of speech. A sentence has a specific word order. Students, whenever we write the sentence, it has a specific order. You know that first of all we write the subject, then verb, then object. If the sentence is a question, at that time we put a helping verb, then subject, then main verb. So there is in the sentence there is a specific word order. Every word in a sentence has its own place and function. Every word has its function. जो भी वर्ड है उसका कोई ना कोई प्लेस है और उसका जो फंक्शन है वो तय किया हुआ है. These are called parts of speech. उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. जैसे हमारी बॉडी है तो उसका जो कोई भी जो है वो उसका भी फंक्शन है. बॉडी का जो हैंड है उसका फंक्शन भी है, हेड है, आइज़ है उसका फंक्शन है. वो आइज़ उसकी जगह पे है तो अभी ठीक है, आई की जगह ईयर, ईयर की जगह आई होगा तो ये ह्यूमन बॉडी है वो हमें इनकम्प्लीट लगती है. वैसे ही सेंटेंस का जो पार्ट्स जो है वो अपनी जगह पे होगा तभी वो सेंटेंस ठीक है ऐसा हम बोल सकते हैं. देयर आर 8 पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. जो सेंटेंस है कोई भी इसमें 8 पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच होता है. जैसे वैसा नहीं है, देयर इज नॉट नेसेसरी द 8 पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच इन अ वन सेंटेंस, कि एक ही सेंटेंस में 8 पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच आ जाए ये कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, पर इसमें से कोई ना कोई पार्ट रहता है. लेट्स discuss about one part. The first part is verb. It's a very important part. We can say that it is the heart of a sentence. If our heart remove from our body, we cannot live. As it is, if we remove verb from the sentence it is not called the sentence. Verb. What is verb? Verb shows action and state. Action verb भी होता है state verb. You have a question that what is action and what is state? Let's see the example. He drinks milk every day and I am a student. He drinks. See here. Drinks shows the action and I am a student. M doesn't show any action. M shows here a state, a situation, position. So verb shows action and state. We will discuss in detail in following lecture about verb. Here students, we are getting quick intro about parts of speech, and in the following lecture we will discuss in detail every parts of speech. So don't take tension. सेकेंड पार्ट जो हमारा है, इट्स अ नाउन. व्हाट इज नाउन? यस, नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस, पर्सन, एनिमल एंड फीलिंग. If we have any name of place, person, animal and feeling, it is called noun. We have 4 to 5 kinds of noun and we will discuss. Rajkot, Madhav, bird, happy. Rajkot is the name of a place, Madhav is the name of the person and bird, and happy is the shows feeling. Which word shows the name of place, person, animal and feeling? It is called noun. Our third part is adjective. What is adjective? Yes, adjective give information about noun and pronoun. Adjectives जो है और information about noun and pronoun. Noun and pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is replace the noun. It is called pronoun. He has an old big red bag. Here you can see how many adjectives we have. Yes, guess that. How many? Very good. He has an old big red बैग. एन वो भी एडजेक्टिव है. यस, कई बार हम ये गलती कर देते हैं. एन भी एडजेक्टिव है. तो देर आर 4 एडजेक्टिव. इट सेज द कलर, द साइज एंड हाउ एंड ओल्ड. देन एडवर्ब. व्हाट इज एडवर्ब? Adverbs give information about verb, adjective and adverb. Here student, mark that sometimes students make mistake here. When we say what is adverb, at that time they say that which add something in a verb, it is called adverb, but it is half truth. Not only add something in a verb, it is adverb. But adverb is a very good part of a sentence. It's add something in adjective, something in adverb and something in verb also. See the sentence. Yesterday morning we walked somewhat slowly in a very beautiful garden. See here. Walked जो है वो verb है. कब गए? Yesterday morning, it's adverb. Slowly क्या है? Yes, adverb है. तो slowly, but कैसे slowly? तो somewhat. तो slowly adverb था. adverb में भी कुछ add किया, इसके भी कुछ information दी, somewhat. तो ये भी adverb में आता है. एंड गार्डन, तो कैसा गार्डन है? ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन है. तो ब्यूटीफुल है वो एडजेक्टिव है. एडजेक्टिव है तो कैसा ब्यूटीफुल है? तो वेरी ब्यूटीफुल है. तो यहाँ पे जो वेरी हुआ वो क्या हुआ? एडवर्ब. सो समथिंग एड इन एडजेक्टिव. एडजेक्टिव में कुछ ऐड किया. यस. स्लोली एडवर्ब था, एडवर्ब में भी ऐड किया. समवॉट. यस. एंड वर्ब वॉक्ड. वॉक्ड वर्ब है, इसमें भी ऐड किया. यस्टरडे मॉर्निंग, कब? तो यस्टरडे मॉर्निंग. सो विच गिव इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट adjective and adverb and verb, it is called adverb. Our next parts of speech is preposition. Yes, what is preposition? Preposition show time, place and position. There are many types of preposition. It shows time, place and position. You know, in, on, near, at, under, above, over, behind, after. These all are preposition. I will meet you at the office on Sunday. Can you tell me that what is preposition here? Yes, at and on. At shows the place and on describe about time. So preposition is also necessary in the sentence. Students, when we wear ornament, at that time we look beautiful. If girl wear ornament, it's called beautiful. If boy wear ornaments, it's called look handsome. As it is, when the sentence made by using the parts of speech, it's look like a garnish the sentence, and when you garnish the sentence, at that time you get more marks. So use parts of speech whenever you write anything. Writing most important in a writing portion, use proper parts of speech. So we will cover all the parts of speech in our following lecture in detail. Our 6 parts of speech is pronoun. Yes, what is pronoun? Pronoun replace a noun. Pronoun है noun को replace करता है. We have example. Madhav is a student. Sorry, he is. It is Madhav's bag. Madhav is a clever student. Teacher has proud on Madhav. See the sentence and think about it. It is a good sentence or not? Just I talk about the garnish the language. So Madhav is a student. It's okay. It is Madhav's bag. Madhav's bag. Ki what we replace in Madhav's bag? Madhav's his bag. What we replace? His bag. Madhav is a clever student. It is necessary. We have to told here right here Madhav. What we replace in at the place of Madhav? He. He is a clever student. Teacher has proud on Madhav. It is necessary to write here Madhav? No, we can write him. Now read. Madhav is a student. It is his bag. He is a clever student. Teacher has proud on him. See, Madhav's replace his. Here Madhav replace he. Here Madhav replace him. We have so many kinds of pronoun. Here reflective pronoun, subjective pronoun and objective pronoun. We will discuss in following lecture. Just right now we are taking a quick intro about our parts of speech. And what is the importance of parts of speech? I am going to tell you. Next is conjunction. Conjunction connect the idea and connect the sentence. Which word connect the idea and connect the sentence? It is called conjunction. And, but, or, so, because, therefore, so that. We have so many conjunction. Mona and Mrunal are friends. Here we connect subject. And what is conjunction? Yes, and is a conjunction. I am not well, so I will not come with you. Here is conjunction is so. Here we connect two clause. What is clause? Clause is one type of a sentence. I am not well is the one sentence. I will not come with you, the second sentence. And we connect both the sentence with a conjunction so. Last, interjection. Very powerful parts of speech. इंटरजेक्शन हैज़ नो रियल मीनिंग। स्टूडेंट्स, इसका कोई रियल मीनिंग नहीं है, बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वेन एवर यू डिलीवर योर स्पीच at that time. Interjection is most important. It shows feelings. हम ऐसे कहते हैं, ओह वाओ ओसम पाठक स्कूल इज वेरी गुड, आउच, ऑप्स, हे, हाय, these are all shows our feelings, so it's called interjection. Today we discussed about 8 parts of speech and take a quick review about parts of speech. Let's repeat 8. First one, we learn verb. Second one, noun. Third one, adjective. Fourth one, adverb. Fifth, preposition. Sixth, pronoun. 7, conjunction. 8, interjection. Good friends, in following lecture, we will discuss in detail about all the parts one by one. Thank you.